Hey, I'm Scott. I'm the Director of Marketing here at Caliber Real Estate, and I want to talk to you a little bit about lead generation and how we look at it here at Caliber. So you've probably heard the old adage of give a man a fish, feed him for a day, teach a man to fish, and feed him for a lifetime. Well, we definitely fall in line with the teaching the man to fish when it comes to lead generation. So we spend a lot of time and effort training our agents on different ways of generating new leads, whether that be through new media tactics such as Facebook and other social media platforms, or more traditional methods such as open houses or leveraging your listings to get more listings. That's where we focus our energies, is to be able to teach our agents to generate more leads. And once they have those leads, how do you capture the information correctly? How do you follow up with them in such a way that you're going to be able to turn that lead into a client? So if that's an area of your business that you think you could stand to improve, or improving so would grow your business, then I suggest that you come in, talk with us. We'd love to sit down, explain some of the tactics that we're using, and see if there's a fit, because we have a ton of benefits for being a Caliber agent, and lead generation is definitely one of them. So respond to this email, give us a call, we'll set up some time and explore next steps.